Hello everyone, welcome to this inspiring and powerful video that will help you learn how to think smarter every day. This video is designed to motivate you, improve your thinking skills, and also help you practice and improve your English in a fun and easy way. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone who simply wants to grow as a person, this video will give you clear, simple, and meaningful ideas that you can use every single day. In this video, you'll learn how to use your brain more effectively, make better decisions, and become a stronger, wiser version of yourself. It will show you how to train your mind step by step through reflection, learning, curiosity, and clear thinking, so you can face life's challenges with more confidence and calm. The best part is that this video is also perfect for English learners. It uses clean, simple, and easy-to-understand English, so you can follow every word and sentence clearly. You'll not only get smarter in your thinking, but also grow stronger in your English speaking, listening, and vocabulary. So get ready to begin a journey of self-improvement and language growth. Watch this video until the end to discover how small changes in the way you think can lead to big changes in your life. Let's begin the habit of thinking smarter, starting today. Have you ever stopped and thought about how amazing the human brain is? It is like a living computer inside your head, but even more powerful than the best technology ever made. It helps you solve problems, make decisions, dream about the future, and even create amazing ideas that can change the world. Yet most people go through life without really using their brain to its full potential. Imagine if you could think smarter every single day, not just once in a while, but as a habit. What would your life look like if your thoughts were sharper, your ideas clearer, and your decisions better every single day? That is what we are going to explore deeply. How to think smarter every day and why it can change everything in your life. Thinking smarter every day is not about being born a genius. It is not about knowing everything or being the most talented person in the room. It is about how you train your mind, how you see the world, how you question things, and how you respond to challenges. It is about building habits of thought that allow you to understand life better and solve problems faster. It is about learning how to use your brain like an athlete uses their muscles, training it, challenging it, and making it stronger every day. The best part is anyone can do it, no matter where you are starting from. Thinking smarter every day starts with understanding that thinking itself is a skill. Just like learning to play a musical instrument or learning to drive a car, thinking is something you can improve. Many people believe intelligence is fixed. You are either smart or you are not. But that is not true. Science shows that your brain can grow and adapt all your life. This is called neuroplasticity, which means your brain changes its structure based on how you use it. If you spend time thinking deeply, solving problems, and learning new things, your brain becomes stronger and faster. When you think smarter, you make better choices. For example, imagine you have two paths. One leads to an easy but short-term reward, and another leads to a harder but long-term reward. If you do not think carefully, you may take the easy path and later regret it. But a smarter way of thinking helps you pause, see the bigger picture, and choose what is truly best for you. Thinking smarter also helps you avoid mistakes that waste your time and energy. The first step to thinking smarter every day is to become curious. Curiosity is like fuel for your brain. When you are curious, you naturally ask questions like, why is this happening? How can I do this better? Or what is another way to solve this problem? These questions keep your brain active and alert. Many people stop being curious when they grow older because they think they already know enough, but curiosity keeps you learning and improving every day. The next important step is to slow down and think before reacting. In our world today, everything is fast. People want quick answers, fast results, and instant solutions. But quick reactions are often emotional and unplanned. Thinking smarter means you pause for a moment before you act. You ask yourself, what is really happening? What will happen if I do this? Is there a better way? That small pause can save you from making big mistakes and help you make wise choices. One powerful way to think smarter every day is to spend time reflecting on your day. Reflection is when you look back at what you did, what went well, what went wrong, and what you can do better tomorrow. Many successful people keep a small notebook or journal where they write about their day. This is not just for memories. It trains your brain to learn from experience. When you think about your actions and decisions, your brain starts to see patterns, and you naturally begin to think smarter in the future. For example, maybe you made a quick decision at work and it caused a problem. If you reflect on it, you may realize you did not think about all the information before acting. Next time, your brain will remind you to slow down and check the facts first. Over time, this habit of reflection can make your decision-making much sharper. Another part of thinking smarter every day is learning to see things from different angles. Many people look at a problem only from their own perspective and miss better solutions. Thinking smarter means asking, how would someone else see this situation? Or what is another way to look at this problem? This kind of thinking opens up new ideas that you may never have considered. For example, imagine you are having a disagreement with someone. Your first thought might be, they are wrong and I am right. But if you think from their angle, you may understand why they feel that way, and you may find a solution that works for both of you. This skill is powerful, not just for solving problems, but also for building better relationships. One of the most powerful habits for thinking smarter every day is to read and learn something new daily. Reading exposes your brain to new ideas, new knowledge, and new ways of thinking. It does not have to be long or difficult. Even reading for 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. The key is to read things that challenge your thinking, like books about science, history, creativity, or self-improvement. Each time you learn something new, your brain creates new connections and you become a better thinker. Learning is not limited to books. You can also learn by listening to people, watching educational videos, or even having deep conversations. Every piece of new knowledge you add to your brain becomes a tool you can use to solve problems in the future. One secret to thinking smarter every day is learning to ask better questions. Many people stop asking questions because they feel embarrassed or think they should already know the answers. But smart thinkers know that questions are powerful. Instead of asking, "Why am I unlucky?" you can ask, "What can I do differently next time?" Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" you can ask, "What is this teaching me?" The quality of your questions determines the quality of your thinking. Better questions lead to better answers. We live in a world full of distractions. Phones, social media, endless notifications. But thinking smarter requires focus. If your attention is scattered, your thinking will be weak and shallow. Smart thinkers know how to focus on one thing at a time and give it their full attention. This allows your brain to go deeper and come up with better solutions. One way to improve focus is to set aside time every day for deep work, where you turn off distractions and focus only on one task. Your brain is part of your body, so taking care of your body helps you think smarter. Sleep, exercise, and healthy food all affect how well your brain works. If you are tired or unhealthy, it is hard to think clearly. On the other hand, when you get enough rest, move your body, and eat nutritious food, your brain has the energy it needs to work at its best. Even something simple like drinking enough water can make a difference in how sharp your mind feels. Thinking smarter also means being open to change. Many people resist change because it feels uncomfortable or scary. But the world is always changing, and if you want to stay sharp, you must be willing to learn, adapt, and grow. Smart thinkers see change not as a problem, but as an opportunity. They ask, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this experience? This mindset keeps your brain flexible and strong. You may not realize it, but gratitude, being thankful, also helps you think smarter. When you focus only on what is wrong, your brain gets stuck in negative thinking, which can block creative ideas and clear decisions. But when you practice gratitude, you train your brain to see the positive side and stay balanced, even in difficult situations. This balanced mind is better at solving problems and finding solutions. One of the best ways to think smarter every day is to teach others what you learn. When you explain something to someone else, you understand it more deeply yourself. It forces you to organize your thoughts and see if you really understand what you are talking about. Whether it's helping a friend with a problem, sharing an idea at work, or even writing about what you learned, teaching strengthens your own thinking. Thinking smarter every day is not a one-time event. It is a lifelong journey. Every day, you have a chance to grow your mind, challenge yourself, and improve your thinking habits. Some days will be easy. Some days will be hard. But if you keep at it, if you stay curious, reflect on your actions, ask better questions, and keep learning, you will notice a huge difference in how you see the world and solve problems. You will become someone who does not just react to life, but thinks clearly and chooses wisely. Thinking smarter every day is like building a house brick by brick. Each day you add a small habit, a small insight, a small piece of learning. Over time, you look back and realize you have built something amazing, a mind that is strong, clear, and ready for anything life brings. This journey is not about being perfect, it is about progress. Even if you improve your thinking just a little bit every day, over months and years, it will completely change your life. You will see opportunities others miss. You will solve problems faster, and you will make decisions that move you toward your dreams. So starting today, make a choice to think smarter every day. Ask questions, learn something new, reflect on your day, focus on what matters, and keep your mind healthy. It is a habit that can shape your future more than almost anything else. Your brain is your greatest tool. Use it, train it, and make it stronger, and it will take you further than you ever imagined.